Greetings everyone, this is Jerry Courvoisier with LightroomWorkshops.com. Sharing your photography and making books has never been easier with the new features in Lightroom 5.0's book module. Let's take a quick tour to highlight these new features. First, under Book Settings in the right-hand panel, you'll see a new paper type, Standard. This paper is like Premium Luster, just a bit thinner. I think it's an excellent choice for an inexpensive paper to use when cost is a consideration or you're prototyping a book. Second, if we move to the page header, page numbering has now become a new welcome feature. I'll move to the first page in my book and I'll enable page numbering. And you can see that I have bottom corner with other selections, top corner, top, side, and bottom. Within the central viewing area, if I right click on the page number area and I say start page numbering, I can start anywhere within the book to then populate the pages with page numbers. To control your typeface, font style, size, etc., use the type panel to select your typeface and control the size of that page numbering within the book. Now let's move to the MultiPage View by clicking on the MultiPage View icon in the lower left of the screen. The next welcome new feature is saving user pages. So in this case, what I'd like to do is maybe change the cell padding of a specific layout. Like I'll look at this one here and select single page view, and I might change the cell padding associated with the cell to improve its position on the page, giving it a nice border. Next, I would right click on the mouse and say Save as Custom Page. Now, when I move to look at the page template area, you'll see the custom pages are listed here. And if I want to put this one into my favorites, I just click on this little circle and now it becomes one of the favorites in my list, which I can retrieve easily. So I might be in single photo views, 3 photos, and I can come back and say favorites, pick the layout, and apply it to the page. Very cool. Last but not least, new text fields can now be created using the text panel. In this case, I'll pick a layout. I'll move to that layout in the single view. I'm highlighting the photo, and if I move to the text panel, I can enable photo text. So I have a word here, photo text sample box, okay, and I can go in there and customize that text any way, shape, or form. But what's unique about this is the fact that I can put the photo text above, over, or below. I can control the offset or the relationship associated with the image, and this is great. Look at this little arrow down here. I can pull it down and I can mine any metadata that I have created in Library to insert into the text field. So if you have something in the caption field in metadata or the title field, you can use that information to populate the text field. And next what we can look at is page text versus photo text. So in this case here, I'll turn off the box for photo text and I'll enable page text. Now I'll need to highlight the layout first, then enable page text, and then I can type directly in here, cut and paste from Word documents or text documents, it doesn't matter, you're creating text on a page. You can control the offset of where the text will appear on the page. You can say top or bottom, and as you type more text, the box will expand. If you like this particular layout, you can certainly save it as a custom page, right? Control click, command click, save as a custom page. It'll now appear over here in custom pages. This is Jerry Courvoisier wishing you successful bookmaking. Got some great new features to help you get there.